This is Marius from design.net, and I'm here to give you a quick overview of my new free theme, PhotoGrid. So it's easier for you to get started and set up everything. I will show you how to set up the navigation, home, about, drop down menu, blog, the widgets on the sidebar and the widgets on a footer on the bottom. I will show you how to set up the social media icons. So let's get started. Let's go inside WordPress, and first I'm gonna show you how to upload your new logo and social media buttons. So for those of you who are new, you will go under Appearance, Install Themes, Upload, and here you're gonna look for your zip file. You're just gonna hit open, and it's gonna install it. Once you see the PhotoGrid free responsive theme, you will click on PhotoGrid settings, and here you can upload your custom logo. Put a Facebook, Twitter, Dribble, Google Plus, or Pinterest. So let me show you how to upload your logo. So just hit the upload button, select files. Here's my logo. It could be a JPEG, it could be a PNG. Open, scroll down, select the file URL, copy. Then let's go back to settings and just paste it here and hit save changes. Every time you make some change, just hit save and your logo would be right here. If you don't have any of those, just don't put it in there and it's not going to show up on a home page. Once again, if you make any changes, hit save changes. So right now we have a logo and we have the social media icons. So let's now set up pages and categories. So let's go inside WordPress. Let's go under pages. The three pages that you're gonna set up are about, blog, contact. For those of you who are new to WordPress, you're not gonna have those pages. You have to set up your own. So you would hit add new and put about us, about me, whatever you want to do. I already have mine, so I'm just gonna show you how to edit the picture. Put a picture in there, write something about, and the template, just keep it default. The only thing is gonna be when you set up blog, you're gonna change it to blog. But this one's just a regular page. Hit publish or update. Now we're gonna set up a blog. Once again, you would click add new, type it blog or news, whatever you want to put. Title here, and this is the one that you're gonna change from default to blog. Hit publish or update. And let's go back pages and contact. I use free contact form 7. So you would go under plugins, add new, type contact form 7, search plugins, and here it is. Just hit install. Once you hit install, you're gonna see it contact right here. Click on it and they're gonna give you the shortcode. Just click on it, right click, copy, because that's the code that you need. If you want to know a little bit more about contact form 7, you can Google and put anything you want here. This is more an add if you want to add it inside. So let's go back to pages, go back to contact, and you would paste this code in here. I already have mine, so I'm not gonna put it again. And you hit update or publish. Don't worry about the home page. because that I'm gonna show you how to set this up under menus. So now let's go under posts. We're gonna set up the categories. Click under categories and just put whatever you want here. You can always change it, you can always delete it. You have it here. Add new category. If you don't want it, just delete it. I don't want this one, delete. Later you can change it, but just put 2 or 3 categories just for testing. I have architecture, contemporary, and experimental. So now let's go under appearance. So you set up your categories right here. You set up your pages, and now let's go under appearance and go under menus. Okay, you're gonna add new menu. Gonna click this one, add new menu. Gonna call it header underscore menu, and you're gonna click create menu. I already have mine, so I'm not gonna add it. So yours is gonna be just like that. Now we're gonna put the pages. Just click view all, and the home page is gonna be here. So we're gonna have home, about, blog, contact. Select all, add to the menu. I already have mine, but if I go and add to the menu, see it's gonna show up here. I have all uppercases. You can just type it and close it, and it's gonna be once you hit save menu, it's gonna be uppercase. I just want to remove this one. I already have contact here. So you would add the pages. If you want a custom page like this one right here, just go and put let's say CNN, add to the menu. And now if you save it, if somebody clicks on this button, it's going to go to CNN.com. or if you want to go to a different website, or if you want to go to Tumblr, whatever, this is a custom link. So now one more we're gonna put, it's gonna be either portfolio, or you can call it category. So you type it here, portfolio, and URL, it's gonna be a hashtag, because if somebody clicks on this, it's not gonna go anywhere. They can only click on the drop down menus. So you add to the menu, and this one, it's not gonna go anywhere. Let me just delete it. I have mine right here, as you can see it. This is how it looks. Portfolio, hashtag. And then you're gonna add your categories. So here are your categories: view all, architecture, contemporary, experimental. So if I click on this one, add to the menu, it's gonna go on the bottom. So I already have architecture. I'm just gonna remove this one, but you would put it, slide it over. This one doesn't want to slide over. Here it is. So if it's gonna be on the bottom, just move it and slide it over. So it kind of looks like it's a drop-down menu. It's underneath your categories. And then once you have everything set up like this, just save the menu. Once we go here it is. You click on architecture, and all your work, it's under architecture, experimental, whatever you set it up. So now let me show you how to make a post. So it goes on the home page. So let's go into WordPress, post, add new. You would add a new post. I'm just going to show you mine. I'm going to edit one of mine. We're going to edit, for those of you who are new to WordPress, you're not going to have those. You have to create your own. So like I said, add new. Let's edit one of mine. Put a name in here. put a picture, put some text on the bottom, and here you define where, here are your categories, where it's supposed to go. So if this picture is on your experimental, your architecture, one of those, you select which one you want it, you scroll down, and you need to add feature image. So you select feature image, select that image, open, scroll down, alignment is none, size, make sure you use full size, use as a feature image, and here it is. You gotta put your feature image, otherwise it's not gonna show on the homepage. And then either publish or update. And then your post will be right here. And also it's gonna be under your categories. So just keep adding new posts. Once you hit the limit of on a homepage, you're gonna have 9. You're gonna see the load more button, and just gonna load more posts. Just make sure you add a couple more here. Now I'm gonna show you how to set up a blog. Put the post to the blog. So let's go inside here. Post. You would hit add new. I already have mine, so I'm just going to edit one of mine. Put the name, image inside here, text. You have to add the category blog. If you didn't do it, I already have mine, so I'm not going to add it. So once you add blog, same thing, we need a feature image. Set feature image, select file, open the image, scroll down, alignment is none, size is full size, use as a feature image. And pretty much that's it. Hit publish or update. Once you go on the blog, here it is. Here's your image. Now let me show you how to do the sidebar widget and the footer widgets. Let's go into WordPress. Let's go to widgets. Here it is, sidebar, photo search. Make sure you use the custom one, photo search, and just put search here. I already have mine, so I'm just going to delete it. And then just put it categories, recent posts, text. Just drag it from here and put it in there. So whatever you put here, it's going to be on a sidebar. And here are your footer widgets. Once again, I put text in there. Just make sure it's one text per box. Don't put two. Get weird. And pretty much that's it. Here are your whatever you put. Those are the footer widgets. So when you scroll down, here it is. And those are your sidebar widgets, search. Okay, we have categories, recent posts, quick about, and that's pretty much it. I hope this is easy enough to set it up, and I hope you enjoy the theme. Thank you.